Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video. Oh my god, sorry baby girl, that must have hurt. Now that's the proper way to lose yourself in the moment.
So if you're given $100 million to have sex in front of your parents, will you do it?
In front of my parents?
Yes, your mom and your dad.
Only my parents?
Yes?
I have extended family. I have friends, plenty friends. Boys, girls, plenty. I'll invite everybody. Jesus!
What did you say?
I'll invite everybody. Everybody will sit down.
Oh boy, you get my do.
Wow.
$100 million. We invite live band. Live band. $100 million, I'll call the video. We'll come and perform for me live.
Power, government approved.
I'll invite you, sir. $100 million.
Everybody don't crazy, including me. Everybody don't mad. Myself, I didn't, sir.
What a show him would have put on. Him not come from planet Earth. What a show him a plan.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So me want to know if I fully dance, me fully dance. Me say all my life I thought this was a pair. Come to find out now, this is a single. You see when you have two now, you have a pair, my general. Yeah, see me? No meat no sweeter than this. But the only thing sweeter than a single is a pair.
Sound reasoning right there. Definite right boy that.
Oh, funny.
You have a 3-year-old child, and you find out that the 3-year-old child is not yours. Would you still maintain the child?
Well, so long that we have done tests and it's not mine, she have to give me back my contribution.
You say you want back your money?
Yeah, man, because she be none of mine, you know. But she cool.
And you want back your...
Never want back every cent.
Oh, you mean? You know, say, the young girl then can use a style, you know. Forgetting of them tight clothes there.
Oh, no, 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 no.
No, brother. Me the things so only China them are sitting here going.
Be a cousin, be a controversy.
Oh my god, no. No. Oh god. cool. Oh, that did not just happen.